Yo, what up, good people? What's happening? What's going on? This your boy, Mr. Robert, aka HotBoyOnDaTrakk. And I hooked up a little track today, man. It's a kind of like trappish, not too trappish, but I found these plucked bells, this loop, and man, I thought it was so clean. I like the way it sound. And I'm doing this, man, for my cousin Bebe, man, aka Bay G. You know what I'm saying? I'm doing it for him so he can see what I be doing. But the app that I'm using, Bay G, is called Camtasia. And Camtasia is a screen app. You can record your screen. If I ever get a chance to come that way, I'll show you what it looked like. But it's not a real expensive app, but it is, costs a little piece of change. But to say that, it records your whole screen, everything. And so that music you hear in the background, it might be my wife in there playing music. So, but anyway, good people, as you can see, I'm gonna start off like I said. I got this pluck bell, and I just liked it, man. So I'm gonna play a little piece of it so you can hear what it sounds. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let the pluck play. That's the pluck sound right there. That's the pluck sound. Then I add some arps to it. Then I found this nice lead in contact. I got a bunch of contact plug-ins, but I found this lead sound. I love the way it sounds. And the reason why, like I said, I got it mixed, but I ain't got it fully mixed. I ain't got this, fully mixed like I want to. Then I add some pads. Add some pads, That's also in contact, And as you can see, this is contact. This is contact. I'm using the swag plug-in. And you can see all the sounds over there. Then I put a brass in it. Yeah. I put a brass in there. Then I threw some chants. Then I add some hi-hats. Then I add some like hi-hat bells type. Then the kick. And of course the 808s to sound it out, to make it sound good. So as you can see, man, I really did a number on this track. So if you like it, you think I should go and mix it down and bounce it down as a wave and put it on my SoundCloud, let me know, man. I mean, hey, I'm always up for criticism. I mean, I ain't no hard person. Some people take criticism to the heart, but not me. I love music. I can always do better. You always learn more and you always can do better. So, y'all holler at your boy, man. Holler at me, man. Bay G, check that out, man. I'm using Logic, man. I'm trying to tell you, man. I got some stuff, bro. I got some stuff, man. I got some stuff, man, that can really get you started. I got some stuff you can use in GarageBand, you know what I mean? Holler at me.